nose and mouth lock. Check nyo rin kung malinis. Okay. Next, loosen all the strap. Okay, make sure all strap must be fully loosened. Okay, shoulder strap, eye strap, including with your head harness. Okay, fully loosened. Ano? After we check that one, remove the regulator, disconnect the regulator. After you disconnect, check the O-ring. Okay? After you check the O-ring, ito yung pala ito na maintain na. Okay? Check yung O-ring yan. So make sure na okay yung O-ring ninyo. After you check the O-ring, connect the regulator. Okay? Okay, so hand tight. After we connect the regulator, check the disconnect the demand valve. Okay, to disconnect, pull and then turn. You have to unlock. So ito yung pinaka-locking mechanism niya.
Push and turn.
Okay.
Pull.
Pull outward. Okay, para mag-unlock. Para matanggal siya. Check the O-ring. After you check the O-ring, put it back. Make sure na okay din yung O-ring natin. Put it back. Align the bypass valve in our middle part of our face mask. Okay. Push and then turn. You heard the clicking sound, meaning nakalak na siya. Claro? Okay, turn off. Now, for the inspection, we need to check the leak of your backplate. Okay? Next, before we go to check the leak, check the backplate, make sure good condition. And then, after we check those things, okay, for the first testing, high pressure tester. Okay? Okay? Open the main valve. Next, after we open the main valve, check the pressure gauge. So make sure with the pressure gauge, okay, if the content of your ICB is less than 2%, we need to recharge again. Okay? So based on this, so kulang na siya ng almost 500, I think. So PSA yung gamit nila, ha? Okay, so 2,500 na ito. So kulang na yan ng almost 10%. Okay? Pagka ganyan pong instances na kulang, pwede pa na kagad natin for the inspection. But then again, for our testing, we need to check all the high pressure hose. Okay? We check the hoses, yung high pressure hose from pressure gauge down to the regulator. Okay, you have to check if there's a possible leak, and from the low pressure hose from the demand valve going to the regulator. Clear? Okay, if there's no possible leak that you heard, no? Okay, let us move on for the second testing. Low pressure. Now, for the low pressure, you have to close, push to close, push, and then close the main valve. Afterwards, after 1 minute, okay, within 1 minute, make sure the pressure must not drop. Okay? For 10 bars. Okay? If there's no changes with your pressure gauge, meaning no leak. Now, next thing we're gonna test is the alarm. Okay, the alarm. Once the alarm reaches 60 to 50 bars, it must be heard the alarm. By the way, yung alarm po nito is Vibra alert system. So ito po mismong demand valve ang nagbabibrate. Klaro po? So how we going to check that one? We're going to discharge by means of turning on the bypass valve. We're going to discharge the air. Okay. And then wait for the alarm. There we go. Ayan po. Press na natin yung 60 bars. Ito lang siya. siya hanggang sa maubos yung hangin natin. Klaro po? Klaro? Clear?
Okay.
For the testing? Malinaw na. Okay.